This is Science Week 31, Day 2, and we're going to continue exploring shadows and how they work. So, as you know, we figured out that the Earth's rotation causes those shadows to change from sunrise to sunset. But what else is affected by Earth's rotation? So there's a video here for you to watch and learn about that. And there's a short text for you to also read. Remember that if you are looking at this symbol here, then that can, you can click on that and the text will be read to you. Of course, you can always choose to read the text yourself. And then the last slide, we are back to using the ball or whatever you used for your experiment yesterday. This time, you're going to do a very similar thing, but instead of putting a piece of paper that sticks out so you can watch the shadow, what you're going to do is see if you can figure out where the sun is and how it shines on Utah. So on your ball, approximate where you think Utah would be. So this happens to be a ball that is a blow-up globe, which is really awesome, but most of us probably don't have that. So if you look at where the Utah is located, put a piece of a sticker or a piece of tape or something there so that you know where Utah is. That's going to stay in one place. The sun is going to stay in one place, and then you're going to, again, rotate and see if you can figure out, well, where is the sun when it's noon? Where is the sun when it's midnight? So that is your job today.